Number 1.
1998 Chevrolet S10, price $8,790. It has 177,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. It sports a striking red exterior paired with a clean gray interior, and runs on gasoline. Recently, the truck has received several notable upgrades, including brand new tires and wheels that provide a smooth and confident driving experience. Under the hood, the S10 performs with the precision and reliability of a Swiss watch, responsive, dependable, and perfectly suited for daily driving. A newly installed AC compressor ensures the interior remains comfortably cool even on the hottest days. The Chevrolet S10 comes with a clean title and a clean Carfax report, reflecting its well-maintained history.
Number 2.
1986 Chevrolet S10, price $5,500. The truck is a classic short bed pickup with an automatic transmission and a 2.8L gasoline engine, showing 149,000 miles on the odometer. This truck has had only 2 owners from the same family, reflecting careful long-term ownership. It features a clean white exterior paired with a blue interior, maintaining much of its original condition. Recently, it received several updates, including a brand new air conditioning system, a new front grille, new tires, and freshly tinted windows.
Despite its age, the truck remains rust-free, runs and drives exceptionally well, and even shows no engine warning lights on the dashboard, an impressive testament to its reliability and maintenance history. Number 3.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,100. This truck has approximately 225,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a matching burgundy interior, the truck presents a classic and well-kept appearance. It is powered by a V8 305 engine with 2WD, and it runs and drives great with no mechanical issues. Everything functions as it should. The air conditioning and heating systems work perfectly, and it's equipped with a Bluetooth radio connected to an amplifier and a 12-inch kicker subwoofer for upgraded sound. The truck also rides on stylish 20-inch American racing wheels, enhancing both its stance and visual appeal. Additional highlights include a new battery, a new AC compressor, and a record of being carefully maintained by its current owner since purchase.
It comes with a clean North Carolina title and remains tagged and insured, ready to drive. Number 4.
1996 Ford F150, price $8,500. Well-preserved and dependable classic pickup with 133,000 miles on the odometer. Featuring a green exterior and a gray interior, it retains much of its original charm and authenticity. Under the hood lies a Coyote 5.0L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, both of which are still original to the truck. The engine runs strong, quiet, and smooth, with no warning codes or signs of failure, showing that it has been well maintained over the years. The transmission operates properly and moves the truck with ease, though it would benefit from a closer inspection due to a minor transmission oil leak. Despite some cosmetic imperfections such as light bumps and scratches on the body, the factory paint still presents well for its age and adds to its classic appeal.
Number 5.
1988 Ford F150, price $10,000. This truck is a well-preserved classic pickup with only 79,000 original miles on the odometer. Powered by a reliable 302 cubic inch 5.0-liter fuel-injected V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth and dependable performance. Finished in an attractive blue exterior with a clean gray interior, the truck reflects the timeless charm of Ford's late -80s design. The vehicle comes with a clean Carfax report showing no accidents, adding to its strong appeal for collectors and enthusiasts alike. As a well-equipped XLT Lariat trim, it features power windows, a fully functional air conditioning system, and a brand new battery.
Number 6.
1972 Ford F100, price $8,500. Well-preserved long bed classic that embodies true vintage American charm. Finished in red inside and out, it retains its authentic patina look, now protected with a clear coat to preserve its timeless character. Under the hood, it's powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 engine paired with the original 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the column, 3 on the tree, offering a nostalgic driving experience that runs, drives, and shifts smoothly, showing 125,000 actual miles. This truck remains solid and mechanically sound. All features function properly, with the exception of the parking brake. While there is some rust, it has been carefully sealed to preserve the truck's vintage appeal rather than restore away its history. Despite a minor front main seal leak that will eventually need attention, this Ford remains a true classic driver, one that turns heads everywhere it goes, combining mechanical integrity, patina-rich style, and genuine old-school craftsmanship.
Number 7.
1997 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,500. This truck is a solid, rust-free truck with 211,000 miles on the odometer. It runs on a powerful 454 big block V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and operates on gasoline. Finished in sleek black with a clean gray cloth interior, the truck maintains a rugged yet well-kept appearance. It's a 2WD model featuring like-new tires all around and a clean title, reflecting careful ownership and good condition. Originally from the South, this truck has zero rust, a rare find for its age. While it could use a good tune-up and some brake work, it remains mechanically sound and ready for the road with just minor maintenance needed.
Number 8.
1997 Ford F150, price $4,000, finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a gray interior.
It features a 4.6L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, offering smooth and dependable performance.
The truck comes equipped with an 8-foot bed, a plastic bed liner, and a trailer brake controller, making it both practical and capable for hauling and towing. The vehicle runs and drives flawlessly, with both heat and air conditioning fully functional. It sits on almost new tires with about 80% tread life remaining, and is fitted with a limited slip rear differential for better traction. The frame is clean with fresh undercoating, and it features new tail light housings,
a brand new battery, and new seat covers.
The oil has recently been changed, ensuring the truck is ready for the road. Although it carries a rebuild title, there is no present damage, and all accessories and electronics are in perfect working order.
The only minor issue is that it needs a new headliner. Number 9.
1990 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500. It has approximately 203,000 miles on the odometer and features a manual transmission. The exterior is finished in a deep burgundy color, complemented by a red interior. It runs on gasoline and has been recently upgraded with several performance and reliability enhancements. The current owner recently completed a motor swap, fitting it with a freshly rebuilt 1976 4-bolt main 350 engine. Along with the new motor, a heavy-duty clutch kit was installed, and the truck was converted to a carburetor and HEI distributor setup. Paired with the NV4500 transmission and a strong 14-bolt rear end, this setup provides excellent drivability, making it ideal for both cruising and towing. Inside, the truck boasts an almost perfect interior with minimal signs of wear. The body shows very little rust, and it's equipped with a quality sound system and nearly new tires, enhancing both comfort and reliability.
Number 10.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. This truck has 226,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior, gray interior, and runs on gasoline.
The truck runs well overall, though the transmission slips slightly when going slowly uphill, likely in second gear. It has received extensive recent maintenance, including a new radiator fan shroud, new wheel hubs and bearings, a new left upper control arm and ball joint, and a fresh alignment. The engine has 8 new spark plugs, a new throttle position sensor, and a new fuel pump. It also sports new headlights and a grille, giving it a refreshed look.